Hey everyone, how you doing? Okay, this morning, I'm sorry, I was sitting there, got my coffee, I got my little devotional, and I was going to sit down, have my little time with the Lord, and all of a sudden, do you know what I hear? Here, let me tell you. This is what pops in my head. This is what pops in my head. I know. This guy. I'm your heart. I'm your heart. You got to do this again. Really? I'm your heart. I'm your heart. I'm sorry. Just had to share that with you guys, that is playing in my head all the time. I'm your heart. So I just had to share. I would have shared with my class, so I had to share with you. All right, well, today we're doing a quick little experiment type thing for me to show a demonstration about how your heart pumps. All right. And on I'm Your Heart Guy, you saw the heart. It doesn't really pump like this. It pumps slowly unless you are running. If you're running, your heart pumps a lot. So what I did, this little thing is on page 120 in your science book. And so what I did is I took, let me see if you can see. All right. So I got one straw and I put two straws here. So what you're kind of thinking is your heart is right here. Okay. And it pumps, and really, if you go back to page 119, look at page 119. Okay, so your heart is here, and it pumps, and it goes down through here. So I've got a couple of, let's see if you can see it. Let's move this down here. Let's move all this. Okay. So I'm going to take my little dropper here, and hopefully you can see. I think you can see it. And watch the ends. And I put some water here, and this is kind of like the heart up here. So I'm going to pump it. Let's see if you can see it come out. Ooh, did you see it? All right, I've got another dropper here, and we're going to say every time the heart pumps, your blood vessels, the blood goes through the heart. Oop, there it goes. Here, let me do another one. Okay, let's see. All right, there you go. All right. Here's some more blood. Okay. So there you go. So the blood goes down through, but then when it gets down to your foot, it kind of goes around and back up because what it's done is your blood's going through your body. It's letting off oxygen to your body, and then it goes back up to the heart to get more oxygen because it goes through the lung, grabs the oxygen, and then goes back out through the body. Here, let's do this one more time. Whoop. All right, let's see how it goes here. Yeah, the blood should work a little faster than what the straw is going. I'd hate the blood to go that slow. Uh-oh. Now it's leaking. Oh. All right. Yeah, got it. There it is. All right. Ta-ta-ta-ta. That is my exciting experiment. Right now. Very exciting. All right. So, I don't know. I just think thinking about the heart to me is so cool because of how it works and gets oxygen and things like that. I think that's really awesome. Okay, would you take your book? Okay, and let's go. Oh, I've got water everywhere. So on page 120, we did our little showing how the heart pumps. We talked about the cut. Remember what she said about the cut? And you've got that, the skin starts coming together, so your scab then will fall off, which some of you don't do because you sit there and pick at it. Yes, I know. Okay, let's look at page 123. What makes a healthy heart? Well, a healthy heart needs exercise. And that's why it's so great that you have Coach Newton that really gets your heart moving. Because if your heart doesn't do a lot of exercising, it doesn't work well. It's got to do a lot of exercising. Sitting and watching video games and watching TV and doing all that does not help your heart. You need to get out there. You need to do some exercises and have your heart pumping. Okay? Because if not, then your muscles need to work. Your muscles need to be working for them to work for you, and so your muscle needs to work. It says a healthy heart needs food such as fruit, vegetables, milk, bread, and meat with a little fat. Not a lot of fat, a little fat. And they had tried this, put some potato chips on a piece of colored paper. Sorry, I didn't do that. And then wait a while and look at what happens on that blue paper. You could do this at home. If you just let that potato chip sit there, think of all that fat. That's what that is. That's oil and fat that's getting on that napkin. And too much of it will clog your heart. It clogs your heart because, you got all the stomach and you got all the food in your stomach. Well, you know what? Blood picks up some of the nutrients. It picks up the nutrients from there. I'm telling you, blood does a lot. Okay? And then it goes back and it goes up through your heart. Well, it probably will drop off some of that bad stuff, some of that bad fat that we don't need. It gets into your heart. You don't want that, do you? Oh, no. So too much fat is not good for your heart. So, and you've got a little thing on here. It says, which roads lead to a healthy heart? The one that starts, let's see. We've got the one that starts with cake. That would be probably the first thing I'd go for. Then there's a road that is got pizza. Okay, that's you guys. Then there's the road with yogurt. And with the one with yogurt goes yogurt, milk, running, salad, an apple, So which one would you go to? Oh, I know which one you'd go to. Let's put it this way. Which one should you go to? Yes, the one with the yogurt. I have nothing to say. I'd probably hit the one with the cake. Sorry. Probably would. So we need to keep our bodies healthy. God gave us our bodies. God did this. He created us. He made our bodies like this. We kind of need to honor him in what our bodies have and what our bodies can do, which is really quite incredible. Really incredible. So if you look on let's turn the page to page 124. And you guys have probably seen these things all on TV, haven't you? These little, these different things on here. It says, God has given doctors the ability to help people take care of their hearts. An electrocardiogram is a test that checks out a person's heart. And a healthy heart looks like this because it's pumping. Okay, it's doing a lot of pumping. This is an unhealthy heart because it's not doing much of anything. Okay, this could be a person that, maybe an older person, a lot older person, that hasn't been able to walk a lot, be able to move a lot. This could be their heart. It's not pumping very much. This should be our heart, where we don't get so tired when we walk or when we run. Okay, you guys have got to get playing. You got to go out there. You got to run, ride your bike, ride your scooter. Do all that. Have a bunch of fun. Okay. So it really does. When you look at it again, I'm going to look at it again. Here might be where they're moving. Okay. These little jumps. Well, a healthy person, their heart is pumping pretty well compared to their heart's not barely pumping at all when they're doing any kind of exercise. So we have the heart and the blood vessel. Okay. So we've got the heart, and here are blood vessels. Okay. So blood flows to all parts of the heart, all parts of the body through what? Blood vessels. Okay. And blood is pumped by an organ called the... Come on. What is it? Heart. Good job. And then to circle the good foods like bananas, and bananas are very good for you, and milk and your salad, and every now and then some candy. All right, just every now and then. And then it says, fill in the circle to tell what should appear after a bandage is placed on a cut. What should you get? Well, hopefully new skin, because if you keep that bandage on, you won't pick at it. So hopefully you'll have new skin that will appear, will come on. Okay, really quick, can you please get this paper out? Okay, we've done the muscles. We've done the skeleton. Now we need to, haven't talked about the brain and the nervous system yet. So could you go to the one with the heart, please? Okay, let's go to the one with the heart. Get your pencil out. You can try these QR codes. They'd be fun. Super fun to do. Okay. All right, let's fill this out. It says, my heart is a what that pumps? It is a muscle. A muscle. Okay. So you're going to write muscle on there. M-U-S-C-E-L-E. Muscle. Now, my heart is a muscle that pumps blood through my body. Arteries carry blood. Where does it? Arteries carry blood to, let's see. Arteries carry blood away. That's what we need. Away from my heart. Remember, away is A-W-A-Y. Arteries carry blood away from my heart. And veins carry the blood to my heart. Two different things. Arteries take it through your body, and your veins bring it back to your body. So here we go. We've got muscles, away, and to. Okay? Muscles, away, and to. And if you'd like, you can color it. You've got your heart there, and you've got your lungs. Look at those lungs. See, I told you they look like bags, you know, inside your rib cage. And they, when you breathe in, they fill up. We're going to be talking about them next. Okay? So once again, you got that on there. You've got muscles. So my heart is a muscle that pumps blood through my body. Arteries carry blood away from my heart, and veins carry blood to my heart. So the veins are the ones that don't have the oxygen. Okay? They are the ones that don't have the oxygen. Well, all right, kiddos. So, tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow we color in the heart really cool. It's my favorite part. My favorite part. All right. So, just for fun, I say we play that song again. All right. I think I've got just enough time to play the song. Okay. So let's see if I can get it on there. Let's see. Whoops. Nope. That's not what I wanted. All right. Let's see if it can play without... Hopefully I won't run out of time. But if I run out of time, I'll just say goodbye now, okay?
We get
Oh,
it.
yeah,
you
yeah,
don't
yeah.
really want your kids watching videos.
Sorry.
But it can have certain...
Whatever. Here it is.
I'm your heart. I live inside of your chest. I'm about the size of your fist, and I never take a rest. I'm your heart. You couldn't live without me. I pump the blood
Sorry, I
that
love the
fuels
song.
your body, so take care of me, please. The human heart is made up of 4 major chambers in me. The right atrium and right ventricle are the first 2 you see. They receive blood that's low in oxygen from your whole body and sends it to your lungs through your pulmonary artery. The lungs fill blood with oxygen that your left atrium receives and flows through the left ventricle to the aortic arteries. I'm your heart.
I'm your heart.
I live inside of your chest. I'm about the size of your fist, and I never take a rest.
You guys may not be able to finish this because my time's running out, okay? So just in case it cuts off, that's why.
Your body, so take care of me, please. I can beat more than 100,000 times in one day, pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood through your body. There is about 60,000 miles of vessels in your circulatory system. I always keep